Anong pangalan mo?
What's your name daw?
Queen Lexa Sherman.
How can I call her?
Lexa.
Lexa. Ah, Lexa.
Hi Lexa. Hi Lexa ka. Hi. Hi po.
How about
Anong pangalan mo daw?
J. Permin David Damiago.
You can call him as JF.
JF? Who's son?
My sister.
It's the son.
And this is my youngest daughter. Anong pangalan mo, bebe? Gail. Shy.
Mahihay.
Mahiyain.
So, what is her name?
Gail. You can call her Gail.
Okay. Lexa, JF, Gail,
And Tyler.
Tyler. Okay.
Yes.
Wow. Here is
This is the living room.
living room.
Yeah.
So when you eat here together?
Yes.
Ah.
If there's some occasion also, we put the foods here. But we put some cover if special.
Who is?
This is our father.
Your father.
Yeah. He passed away already. That's the great Fermin Damiago Sr.
Your refrigerator working?
And we only use this for special occasion because of the electricity.
Mahal?
Yeah, it's so expensive, the electricity. So, this is my room, but because we just wake up, that's why it's still messy.
Messy?
Yes. This is my home. Still messy.
Can
Still messy. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Walang
Because
problema.
the sun always. These are the balloons.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children. The eldest is 18 years old already.
18?
Yes, and he's working
Where?
in the national.
National?
Yes, National Panasonic. Yes.
So your family total 4 family?
Yeah.
You live here together?
Yes, yes, yes. Sorry, miss.
Here
because of
can
the
sleep
children.
all people?
Me and him here because the one, but the second one he sleep here because he always turn and kicking always like that. So I put him and my husband now he is in the family side of him because there's a cooking. He will cook there.
Thank you. And next.
And this is Mr. my room. Come in.
Oh, you have light.
Yes. Yellow light for
Excuse me.
this is my husband. Very messy.
Wow, so many pictures.
Yes. It's my father, me, and my graduation day, my daughter, our family picture, me and my husband.
TV.
Yes, TV. That is credit, but now we fully pay.
Credit. How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
2. All daughter.
Lexa.
Lexa.
Yes, Lexa and Gail.
Gail. Lexa
Very long
and
name.
Gail.
Win Lexa Sherman Damiago and Hershey Jelex Gail. Very, very long name.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And next where? Kitchen?
Yeah. We have 2 kitchen.
Kitchen.
We have one up, we have one here because now here to less the electricity. We close this light because pandemic, source of income we need to less.
Electricity.
So we use from the
Taas.
Yes, the taas.
So now you
We
are-
only put something, wash hands, something like that.
Uy, baby.
Then there's something. Many cats here. Yes, we have many cats.
Your cat?
Neighbor's cat. Neighbor's cat, but always here in the house.
Really? CR?
Yes, CR.
Ah,
I don't know if that is... Ay, no, malinis naman. Remember the rice? Still here.
nice.
Yeah, it still have the... You can go up.
오, 여기는 고양이네.
Gatag mo sa ako, James.
오, very white.
Very white. Hi.
아, 키친. 아, 와, 빨래가 엄청나게 많네. 아, here, no, you don't need light, so use here?
Yes, that's why.
Here, bright.
That's why we not using the kitchen on down. Because they close it with the like the yellow.
Here, very white.
Yes, but we put this one because
It's a gift from our auntie.
but because the other
This is the
one, because it's all broken.
Oh.
That's why we just put this so no one will fall down.
everything.
Here, leaking? If raining,
Yes,
Yes,
leaking?
yes, here, especially here.
if raining, we put bale, lot of bale there.
Water.
Yes.
And that's why it's the wood it's become weak and the termites. That's why you see.
So many cat.
Yes,
Whose room?
This is my sister's.
Hi.
This is the secret elevator go down.
That's why we put this one so no one will fall down.
Oh, dangerous.
Yes, very very dangerous. That's why we cover.
Upstairs.
It's hot. Yes, because no the ceiling it's not covered.
And here.
This one is become this is my room before.
Here.
But because I have the baby, it's hot and it's hard for me to go up and down. Now it's the storage.
Storage room.
We put the dirty things
That we
so
cannot use.
that we are not using become the storage room. Yeah, this is my room.
Okay.
And that is
And this is her room, the bigger room.
Yes.
Let's
Your room, nice.
yeah, nice.
Big.
Yeah, they put this because
He
of
put this
Liam.
one.
Yes.
Not hot?
isolation. Yes.
Yes.
It helped to lessen the
The
Heat?
heat. That is insulation. Insulation.
But Liam here run
And the one is
broken also. And the TV is broken
broken
now.
also.
Because of Liam.
Really?
Do something.
You can view the outside to see what happened. This is Perdita when she graduated in
She graduated in the college in Saint Benil.
very simple and
Thank you so much showing your house.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Also, and we are sorry if our house is messy.
No, it's good. Very nice. Your house better than I expected.